everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and I love creating videos and product reviews and makeup reviews. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a May base box Boxy tray. I've already opened it, it won't be an unboxing, it'll be a reveal. And so let's jump into the video and I'll show you what I got. And I did not receive a card with the prices on it, but I will put in the description box the prices for all of it. So the first thing I got is going to be this Trestique Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon. This is in the color Bisque. And I will say I haven't seen something like this before. I think it's pretty creative. I will say that for so this is magnetic, the top, and it just pops off and pops on. And then this is a spot concealer on this side. And then on this side they have a little sponge so you can blend in your concealer. So I thought that was an interesting concept for this brand. Haven't seen that before. I'm sure other brands may have it, but I haven't seen it. So next, on to the other makeup that I received. I received this Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. I have never heard of this brand before, but this is what the colors are in the palette. They are pretty colors. I have not tried them yet. I should have tried them in this video today, but I had already put on some eyeshadow. But these are very beautiful colors, so I'll just have to see how those work. Maybe in my next video I'll use them. I didn't get enough makeup to really do a makeup, to put on makeup in this video and to get ready. That's the only makeup products I received, is that concealer and that eyeshadow palette. I mainly got, I got just as much skincare products as I did makeup, and I've put in my preferences a couple of times. I've put things about I would rather receive more makeup and no skincare, but I keep getting a lot of skincare. But anyway, this is the Ayam Beauty Care Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. And I've never tried these either. I'll try these, and I have to be careful though, because my skin is very sensitive and I do have breakouts very easily, so I have to be very careful about what I put on my skin with all this skincare they send me. And the other skincare product I got is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Pads. This probably works pretty good. I'm sure this, it says the skin smoothing pads. I'll have to try these as well. These are supposed to be gentle and effective exfoliators, what it says. Very effective, it says. And the last thing I got, which is interesting, is called the Daily Concepts Shampoo Bar. And it looks like it comes in a little box. And it looks like this. So it comes on a rope, and what it says is it does smell very good. So what it says is that you wet this and rub it around in your hair, and it says it's moisturizing and balancing and soothing for hair and scalp. It says it has EFA oils for elasticity and natural shine. So I'm sure this will be interesting, although I am somewhat of a germaphobe and I'm not too crazy about to keep putting this on my dirty hair in the shower or oily hair. But I'll try it and rinse it off and see what I think about how clean it will stay. See if I want to keep using it. So this is what I received this month in the base box, and like I said, pretty disappointed with this month's box. you know, I feel like you used to get better products, but it seems like the last few months the products, it's kind of been a hit or miss. I find that one month the base box will be better than the premium. The next month the premium's better than the base box. Seems like it flip-flops, so it's hard to determine if you want to cancel the boxes or not. I'll just stay subscribed to both, but hopefully next month's boxes will be better. And I did see better variations of this box. However, I did not receive it. And I do apologize that this video is up close to the end of the month at this point. I just got my box 2 days ago, on the 20th, so I couldn't really get it up before that. And maybe that's part of the problem. If you get your box later in the month, maybe that's when they get rid of the less favorable products. I'm not even sure. That's just a guess. But we'll have to just see what I get next month, and hopefully it'll be better products. So let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm boxes and tell me what you think. And like I said, the next video, I'll do a video with this eye makeup palette. And I'll also use this as a spot concealer in my next video. And in the meantime, I'll try this shampoo bar out and maybe the vitamin C serum makeup remover wipes. And in the description below, I'll put the prices of everything. I believe the $25 base box, you're supposed to have at least $125 worth of products. I guess this is above $125 of products, but honestly, I would not have spent $125 buying all this stuff. So I don't use the products. Is it really a good deal? As long as you use the products, it's worth the $25. But if they're just going to sit in a box, like all my skincare that I get does, my skin is so sensitive, I don't like to keep trying new products on it a whole lot. But if you got a box this month, please let me know what you got and what you think about your products. And I hope you all are having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.